Okay, back to the air conditioning. This is video number 2. Before I showed about the micron gauge and using this gauge, here I'll go a little bit more over the software. This is a 2019 Volkswagen Touareg SE. Don't know how to pronounce that, but that's nevertheless fine. So here we are in operation. I already charged it. This is the YF refrigerant, and as you can see, it's hovering between, going back and forth between 36 degrees and 38 point some degrees. That's where I've been watching the temperature move back and forth in. On your gauge, I highly recommend you go to the manufacturer's website, and there's several other websites that I have recommended in other videos where I tell you to go learn. You want to learn about superheat, you want to learn about subcooling, your liquid line temperature, your suction line temperatures. I literally made special videos with links to guys who made excellent videos. That's just what they do for a living. They're schooling information. They're either with this company, with Testo. You have Engineering Mindset. You have Brian Ord. They all made extremely detailed videos on learning more about superheat and subcooling and your different temperatures and pressures, because you do not fill systems up by pressures alone. Pressures are no indication of whether a system is full or not. That is old school 1950s, 1960s thinking. That is totally out of the picture. You don't use it at all whatsoever anymore. So this is a system up and running, and this is what you'll be seeing. If you've watched many of my other videos, you will know this. Let me zoom in closer. Bring this back up there. So this is what you'll be seeing. And I've been hooked up so long that my gauges are now timing out for time. Oh, there they are. They're connecting back up. So that's it. SMAN field piece 480V, and go search some of my other videos to get more detailed instructions. Usually on every couple videos I'll give a little bit of piece of information about one item. Maybe one video I said something about superheat or subcooling. Maybe I mentioned liquid line temperature, suction line temperature, about the delta spread across the evaporator of the inlet and the outlet. You know, all these different things. It's something that I don't have time to do over in one video, but at least I could spark your interest, hopefully, and you'll go research and watch some videos produced by guys who make really excellent videos just on those one topic, that one subject. All right, see you guys later. And remember, field piece. Go to their website, look up this tool. This is the way to go for the future, and you must know what your micron level is to actually document and prove. I actually download this, and this goes on every one of my invoices of the operation live on the video. It gets downloaded to a PDF, and it goes along with my invoices. And every shop should be doing the exact same thing. If not, how could you have something to back yourself up to the customer, proving what it was operating like? And if you're the owner of the shop and you have technicians who don't quite put down the real numbers on their invoices or their work orders for you, and sometimes you don't trust them a little bit, you can actually document, and they have to prove on every work order because it gets downloaded and added to it. And they can say, see, this is what I did, this is what was coming out of the dash. Not just hearsay. And it saves your service writer too. If there's any miscommunication between the technician and the service writer and the customer, they always could come back and open up the document and say, this is what it's doing right now. That's all. See you guys later.